Today, we are elevating the vacuum flask that we sell in Euro markets for many years. Let me briefly introduce this bottle. This bottle has been hot selling for more than 10 years because of its practical economy, beautiful and easy using characteristics. Its capacity range is 350 ml, 500 ml, 750 ml, and 1 liter. And we have many different colors and patterns. Many of our customers would have their own customized logo and patterns. The first thing we need to see when opening the bottle's cap is the plastic part of the lid. Here we briefly introduce the identification method of the plastic parts. The new material is usually ordnance, the surface will be lubricated, and there is no burr. These characteristics make it not easy to break. However, if it is recycled plastic, it will be smelly, not shiny color with many burrs and easy to age and break. This cover can lock the heat to control the amount of pouring water. Open the inner cover. This is the traditional M6 type cover. It will be opened for cleaning when many Europeans drink coffee. Then, let's test the pouring performance of this cover. Place a cup with mouth diameter of 6 to 8 cm on an A4 paper. Pouring tea or coffee from the cup at a height of 5 cm. Measure at the tipping edge near the center of the cup. It should not be found that any stains caused by sputtering appear on the white paper. At the same time, we can try sealing performance of the inner cover. After the cup add with the detergent water, screw the lid and place the cup on the tabletop in parallel. There should be no leakage. In addition, the inner lid and the cup should be smooth and not much gap between when closing them. Then we should test the capacity of the flask. We can use a ruler to measure the depth of the liner and the height of the outer shell. The difference should be around 16 to 18 mm. The domestic local brand compensates for the missing weight in the cup by some magic light in the bottom of the middle vacuum layer. It's welded with iron or sand cement. There is a misunderstanding. The weight of the cup should not be defined it is good or not. The point is proof in the Japanese mug, because they have been pursuing super easy to carry and as light as they could. According to the European test standards, we need to do the test for 6 hours. The following photo shows the European standards in the installation requirements after 6 hours for different capacities. We are testing 500 ml vacuum installation flask used on the table, so after 6 hours, the result temperature should be above 70 degrees. The test procedure is as follows. At room temperature about 22 degrees, we first put the highest capacity water level around 95 degrees for about 5 minutes, and then dump it. The boiling water around 95 degrees was placed again, and the temperature was tested after standing for 6 hours, and it was required to be higher than or at least 70 degrees as described above. We will also arrange another test meanwhile of the keep cold ability. Many of us use the flask to keep cold, and normally the keep cold ability would last at least double time of the keep warm time. Now we use the ice to make this test. In fact, There is a relatively simple way to test whether it is working well. After 5 minutes after putting in hot water, we can touch the bottom of the flask by hand. If the hand feels warm, we can preliminarily know that the vacuum of this flask is not done, resulting in heat leakage. If not, we will wait for 6 hours before measuring the results. Now we are going to test the result. Keep hot test results 73.2 degrees. Keep cold test result. The ice keep still and have not melted. Wow, you have our word. See, our flask could keep your water as hot as you want. Welcome to join our journey. Later we will show you more videos related to our Thermos products. Let's keep in touch.